The benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century.
What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to application and technologies that manipulate text, data, image, sound, and full motion video objects. Multimedia uses multiple forms of text, audio, graphics, animations, or video to convey information. Why multimedia is important? Multimedia is important because it enhances the way information is presented and communicated. What are the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century? Number 1. ICT can affect the delivery and enable wider access to the same. Number 2. Multimedia helps to make a rich and useful online content in various formats. Number 3. Enhance the modes of communication. Number 4. Spread awareness of the social impacts of the technological change in education. Number 5. ICT enables economic growth by broadening the reach of technologies. Number 6. Ease of access to information. Number 7. It promotes change to education in 21st century. In terms of multimedia, many of the 21st century learners know how to make an online content in different formats such as image, video, text, presentation, and more. Knowing the role of multimedia and ICT, it can help us to improve our online content to be more appealing and useful to the audience. That's why having knowledge about multimedia and ICT has a lot of benefit for us. And Matt Malanwat said, technology is best when it brings people together. All I say at the end of my video is thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye, guys!